Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to generate leads through value. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can generate leads through value. So how do you actually do that? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to do content marketing. So if you've never heard of content marketing, what this is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm giving you through value. I'm telling you exactly how to do, like how to make money online. Like that is how I'm doing that. Like this is what this channel is about. I'm talking about how to make money online. So what you want to do is do exactly the same thing, and that doesn't have to be through YouTube. It could be through a blog, it could be through Facebook, it could be through, a ton of different things. But your main goal of your posts, of your videos, of whatever your content you choose, like you choose a platform. That's the one thing that's going to be very important, is choosing a platform. And remember, it's choosing one platform, not a multiple different platforms. Don't do a blog, YouTube and Facebook at the same time. It doesn't work. I've tried that before. I failed miserably because you're not going to be consistent at all. It's going to be very, very hard. So choose just one and then stick to it. So if you choose YouTube, just do YouTube. If you do Facebook, just choose Facebook and do that. But don't do a million different things. So choose one platform and then do content around that. So, for instance, let's say that you choose YouTube. Choosing YouTube, and then you're going to choose your niche. No matter what niche it is, you're going to find it by you have to have a product to sell. So first of all, that's one of the things that you're going to try and find, is the product that you're interested in selling. So if you're unsure what to do, so if you want to team up with me, I have a great product called Builderall, which you absolutely need anyways. So you can team up with me and check that out, and that is going to help you to actually choose a product. So find a product that you're selling. So for me, it's Builderall. I have Builderall. That's a product that you need to have if you're marketing anything online. So since I'm talking about how to make money online, then that's a perfect product because everybody needs it, and that is exactly targeted to my niche, because that's the next thing that you're going to focus on, is what kind of people are interested in what I'm selling, or what you're selling. So for instance, I choose Builderall. That's my product. Who is interested in Builderall? Well, anyone who's serious about building an online business, unless you want to go to ClickFunnels and pay twice the amount of money and not get as many things. Because Builderall is just a product that does everything that you need, whether it's email marketing, building a funnel, a sales page, a landing page. It doesn't matter. Everything is in Builderall. There's even scripts. If you're unsure how to write scripts, there's everything that you need if you want to market online. So the people who are interested in that product are the people who want to build an online business, because everybody needs it, as I said. But maybe you have something completely different. Maybe you have a product for people that want to lose weight. So what you're going to do is you're going to make some content around how to lose weight, and then tell people that if they want to lose weight, you have this great product that does this and this, and then you'll be able to help them and they can do that. So when they click in the link in the description, then they get to a sales page, just like you would if you click on the link in my description. So when they click on the link in the description, they will land on a landing page which they have to enter their email and their name. So when they get that, like that's what's going to happen if you click on the link in my description, and then you'll be able to help them out and get them something like to help them out. So that product, for example, but then you have their email, and we're not going to go into what to do with their email because that's a whole other video. But that is a very important thing, to have their contact, because you don't own YouTube, you probably don't own Google, so it's very important that you own their email, because that way you actually own the customer, not Google, not YouTube, not whoever's hosting your blog or whatever. You own that email. So what you're going to do is you're just going to create content around what these people are looking for. So just do your research. You probably know something about it, because if you're trying to sell something that you don't know anything about, you better start doing your research first. But chances are you're at least interested in what you're talking about, and I hope you are, because that's going to keep you going. So then you're just going to create some content around people that are looking for what you're trying to sell. So maybe they're not looking for what you're trying to sell, but if we take that example of losing weight, maybe they're trying to lose weight. So you have that product to help them lose weight, but they're not aware of that product. So what you can do is create how to lose belly fat, how to lose whatever. You know, it can be so many different things. And remember to always niche down as much as possible, because if you're doing how to lose weight for women that don't eat meat, that are vegetarian, then that's a very good niche, because it's very specific and people are going to feel connected to you. If you just do something to be healthier, then that's not going to count and nobody's going to watch that video, even though most people want to get healthier. But that is not specific enough. So that's another thing that you really want to take into account. But that is how you're going to generate leads. That's like how you're going to do it. Now there's a lot that goes into it apart from that, like, you know, creating funnels and, you know, email marketing and all that stuff, but I made a ton of videos about that. So, and there'll probably be some future videos in that, but that's in a nutshell how you generate leads through value. So just create some content, like you do everything that you can to help these people out, and then if you have something that can help them, just, you know, promote that, but don't promote something that's not helpful to them. Again, if I go back to Builderall, Builderall is something that you absolutely need. Like, it's not even a question. If you're trying to build an online business and you don't have either Builderall or ClickFunnels, then like you don't have an online business, because, you know, you don't have any leads, you don't have any emails, there's nothing that you have. So that is one thing that's very important. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, that you found a ton of value. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.